Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to the chef, Mr. Pudney, showing you how to make Aunt Jackie's pork chop marinade. So I have the ingredients displayed here, and I have the recipe over here that I can point to right now and show you exactly what goes into this delicious marinade. So this is pork chop marinade. 1/2 cup water, 1/3 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1½ tablespoons lemon pepper, and 2 garlic cloves pressed. Marinate for 2 to 3 hours, or you could even marinate it for a day or two. So let me show you over here in the measuring cup what those fractions look like. And it's a little hard to read, but I have 2 Pyrex measuring cups. At the very bottom, there's your 1/4 cup. Over here is 1/3, 1/2, 2/3, 3/4. And remember, these are all considered benchmark fractions. 1 cup, and then they go up incrementally by quarters or thirds all the way up to 2 cups. And remember, 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. Remember the gallon man and big G. 2 cups, 16 ounces. So this is a nice measuring unit. It's Pyrex, so it's very good for hot substances that I'm going to measure right now and show you how to make this delicious marinade. So the first ingredient we're going to do is 1/2 cup water. I have another Pyrex measuring cup. I'm going to come over just regular, good old-fashioned water. And there's my 1/2 cup. And what I do, here are my pork chops. I'm just going to pour it straight into the bag. I found that these storage bags are the best. Next ingredient is 1/3 cup soy sauce. And this is La Choy soy sauce. Any soy sauce will do. 1/3 cup. And I'm going to come over here. I like to kind of get down level and pour 1/3 of a cup, which, as we all know, is a little less than a 1/2 cup. 1/3 cup down the hatch. Not this hatch, that hatch. I pour it right on top of the pork chops. And I'm going to go to the next ingredient is 1/4 cup vegetable oil, which, as we all know, 1/4 is less than 1/3. I'll take my vegetable oil. I come down level so I can get a good idea of where that is. And that was a pretty darn good pour. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Right into the Ziploc bag. And that is all the liquid ingredients for this marinade. The other 2 steps, we have 1½ tablespoons lemon pepper. Now here's your tablespoon, which is bigger than your teaspoon. Now the easiest way to measure the 1½ of these tablespoons, I found, is another measuring unit, which has it has metric on here as well, milliliters. And it's got teaspoons and tablespoons. I just take the top off. And a little secret is if you're off by a little bit with this, it's not gonna make a big difference. Level it out. That's 1½ tablespoons. And I sort of pass this right into the pork chop marinade. And my last step is 2 garlic cloves pressed. Now this takes a long time. This is a presser, but it takes forever. So what I do is I cheat a little bit, and I already use minced garlic. And since I like a lot of garlic, I'll take a heaping tablespoon, put it in there, and I usually like to take another 1/2 tablespoon, drop it right in. And it's as simple as that. And here's my pork chops. I have 8 pork chops that are in the bag. And this is why I like the storage bag, because I kind of mix everything up around. And we are good to go. At this point, I'll let it sit here for, I'm going to actually grill these tomorrow. So I'll just put it in the refrigerator, and a couple times throughout the day I might just mix them up. And this will marinate beautifully. That is Aunt Jackie's Pork Chop Marinade. Now you have some questions. I have 3 questions that we'll upload to Edmodo, and I'm going to ask you to answer those fraction questions based on that recipe and send them back to me. Have a great day.